further, it's Huggy Mayor. Happy 4th of July. People are starting to set up in this field behind us to watch some fireworks that are getting set off soon in a few blocks away. We have fresh squeezed lemonade, bottled water, cookies, and some other snacks. We also have red, white, and blue, glow sticks, necklaces, and bracelets, and other glow-in-the-dark gadgets. We've been set up for a few hours, and it's rained most of the time, so far this day has been a blast. We're ready to watch some fireworks. Happy Independence Day!